Hello, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach an interesting topic, that is wild animal. So, today children, I will tell you about various wild animals. So, let's start. Wild animals are the animals that cannot live with us. Their home is the forest. First wild animal is elephant. The elephant is a very intelligent and obedient creature. Tiger Tiger is a wild animal which look like a big cat. Zebra has black and white strips all over its body. Bear has large body and shaggy hair and short tail. Giraffe is a tall animal. It has long neck. Students, I hope you all understood the 5 wild animals. Thank you. Have a nice day.